Unveiling the Meaning, Lay Odds. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting phrase to unravel: lay odds. This might sound a bit tricky at first, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it. So, let's dive right in and explore the meaning of lay odds. Lay odds is a phrase that originates from the world of gambling, specifically from betting. To lay odds means to bet against a particular outcome. When someone lays odds, they are essentially offering a bet that a certain event will not happen. For example, if you are watching a horse race and someone believes that a particular horse is not going to win, they might lay odds against that horse. They are betting that the horse will lose. Now that we understand what lay odds means, let's look at how we can use it in a sentence. Remember, this phrase is quite informal and is mostly used in contexts related to betting or gambling. However, it can also be used metaphorically in everyday conversation. 1. Betting context. John decided to lay odds against the favorite horse, believing that it was not going to win. 2. Metaphorical use. Despite the project's tight deadline, Mary is laying odds that her team can finish it on time. In these examples, lay odds is used to express a belief against the likelihood of a particular event happening. When using the phrase, lay odds, it's important to ensure that you are using it in the correct context. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. 1. Don't use lay odds in a formal setting. It is an informal phrase. 2. Ensure that the sentence makes clear what event or outcome is being bet against. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to understanding and using the phrase, lay odds. We hope this video has demystified this interesting phrase for you and that you feel more confident using it in your English conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning content. Until next time, happy learning!